Hi, this is Benito, and today I am in John's Pass Mall and Boardwalk in Florida. This is a walking tour and information about this place. So, sit back and enjoy the tour. The John's Pass was created by a hurricane on September 27, 1848. A pirate, John Levi Kay, made the first passage through the newly created pass. And this how it got the name, John's Pass. John's Pass, in the turn of the century became a fishing village and #1 tourist attraction. Over 100 merchants inhabit the village with unique retail shopping, a variety of restaurants. The local fishing fleet provides dolphin watching and shelling tours, boat rentals, parasailing and jet skiing. There is metered on-street parking located conveniently throughout the village, as well as a new state-of-the-art multi-level parking garage adjacent to Bubba Gump's. The beach is a short stroll away. The pass is conveniently located near St. Petersburg, Clearwater and Tampa, and just a short drive to the Orlando area in Florida. John's Pass has something for everyone around this incredible and unique destination. They have some of the best restaurants, great shopping, awesome tours, fishing, and much more. You can spend the day on land, on the water, or both and enjoy some memories you will cherish forever. They are the #1 destination in the St. Pete Clearwater area, and you do not want to miss a chance to come see and do all the great things they have to offer at John's Pass. Give them a call for more information or visit their website to see some of the great things they have to offer inside John's Pass. The boardwalk and shopping area is a can't miss on your next visit to paradise. Stop by some of the shops, restaurants and do a dolphin cruise with Hubbard's Marina. Spend a few hours or more shopping at John's Pass Village and Boardwalk and find the perfect gifts to take back home. From clothes to shoes to general supplies, you'll find an excellent selection of stores here. I gave you some basic information about John Pass, so continue watching the walking tour till the end and enjoy the view. Hello, this is Benito. I hope you enjoyed the walking tour of John's Pass. Leave a comment below what part of the tour you enjoy the most, and if you are planning to visit this attraction. Please share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next video.